Hey everyone, it's Ping from Formula Delta. We're back 2026 with a new year update. Over the holidays, we had a very busy time fulfilling as many orders as we could. You can see behind me, as well as slightly off camera, we got a little bit more oil pans to fulfill. This would be pretty much the entirety of the first batch. We completely sold through the first batch. We were anticipating not as much demand, but thank you very much for everybody that ordered. We're very thankful and appreciate your business. We are working with our vendor on procuring a second batch of oil pans. Um, what that means for you is that if you are part of the second batch, we will be sending you an email to let you know there may be a bit of a wait time. If you're making orders now, you are definitely part of the second batch, and it might take a little bit for us to get another batch in here, but we are committed to fulfilling as many orders as we receive. In terms of pricing, we will hold the price here until the details of the second batch are confirmed and we actually have some supply here and inventory so that we can raise our prices to the MSRP. In terms of the next steps, if you are a prospective customer, please know that we are doing our best to procure more supply for you. And if you are a current customer who already made an order, we'll be communicating through with you with either a shipping confirmation or email about when to expect your order. In the meantime, we've been working on some new product development. You can see behind me, I have the prototype FA24 oil pan that is created via additive manufacturing. The shape is exactly the same as that of the cast version. You can see behind me. But with the additive manufacturing process, we were able to make the wall thickness quite a bit thinner than that of the cast version. And because of that, the first thing is that the additive manufacturing version of the oil pan weighs 700 grams or roughly 1.5 pounds less than that of the cast version, and it holds more volume. It holds about 200 milliliters more than the cast version, bringing the total volume to 1.6 liters over stock, or 1.7 quarts. In terms of the compatibility, it, because of the shape is the same as that of the cast oil pan, it has the same compatibility list as the cast version. This pan is really for those people going to the track that's got just the longest right-handers you can think of. There's a couple tracks that comes to mind, Coda being one of them, Road Atlanta, as well as Shannonville. We saw during our testing that if you're on some tires like the slicks that you'll be running, you want the fastest times and you want no compromises in terms of performance. This oil pan would be ideal for you. Of course, because of the additive manufacturing process, this oil pan is going to cost quite a bit more than the cast version. So if this is something you're interested in, please let us know. We're gauging demand for it right now. You can comment. We'd be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Yeah, reach out to us. We're also working on a FA20 version of the oil pan. The goal there is to be compatible with the OEM headers from the 2017 plus, so the refreshed first gen vehicles. This edition will also be compatible with the HKS catted headers. This is something that we saw during our development, that there was actually some users who really preferred a catted header for the FA24. So we're looking at both of these options going forward. If you are interested in that, please, we would love to hear from you. We want to forecast some demand on that so that we can predict how to progress with these product developments going forward. In closing, I can't thank everybody enough for how far this project has come along. We're very glad to see pictures of people receiving their oil pans and installation pictures of the oil pan fitting with various headers that are showing up on various social media platforms. Please keep them coming. We really appreciate them. We'll reshare anything related to the oil pan. We're more than willing to reshare your stories, your posts on social media. Yeah, we're working hard here to get the next products out and the current orders fulfilled. Looking forward to speaking to you again.